Leb Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. One segment, make Kwan Leb Acholi. Reading on Panyikwara, session number 62, focusing on the Goloba subclan. I'm Jacqueline Kangokat. Please join the live, like, comment, share. Okay. If you are from Panyikwara Goloba, and you have any information regarding this subclan, please leave a comment under this video, send comments, send me a DM. I'm going to be reading about Goloba for the very first time. I've never heard of this subclan or subgroup. Goloba. Goloba. Please let me know, okay? The reading is about 2 pages. Please excuse my son, okay? Hopefully I can read fast enough. Please make sure to follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. We are also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. My personal Facebook, where I also post videos and other contents that I like, is Chaka Gikang South Sudan. Okay. And we are on TikTok also as Chaka Gikang South Sudan. Okay. And I pour my tech. Wabiro Chaka Kwano Lokmikina, Panyikwara. Panyikwara is one of the clans of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, we already read about Buddha, the very first subclan, the group of people that first entered into present-day territories belonging to the Panyikwara clan in present-day South Sudan. The Buddha people mainly came from, or originally the first set came from Anuak or Shilluk Kingdom. Under Nyikwaro being one of the family members of the Shilluk brothers who fought over the royal bead and the royal spear. In Acholi, we call them Labongo and Gipir, the 2 brothers. Okay. Nyikwaro led the people into Bilinyam, or Bar Jobari. Kadung Dikenyo. He died, and his son Modi, Chief Modi, led the people into Aru, Ololowo. And then from there, Chief Modi died, and his son, Chief Kitala, led the people into Gariwire. Okay, and then other groups came and formed other parts of the Buddha subclan, including people from Mundari, who are the Buddha Pagana, and then we have Bajul, those people from Uganda, okay, in different groups. Okay, so today we will read about the second group that entered the territory after the Buddha people, which is the Goloba people or Goloba people, the second subclan of Panyikwara. Okay, now please, if you're from here and if I'm reading anything wrong, mispronouncing anything is inconsistent, please drop your comments under this video. Please also send me a DM or a private message and I'll pull in my deck. Okay, now let's get right into it. Regarding Logmi Goloba, la chojo choni ngoni. Goloba tiegi dok od matina ngwen kit man. Alero, pa jombo, olubo, gi paderi. Okay, now regarding alero, la jojo choni ngoni. Ni dok od mi alero, obino gi Alero Matie Uganda. Let me know if I'm pronouncing Alero correctly. Okay, is it Alero? Alero. Okay. Yala la dit lokeji. A year okay lo luak mi Alero I Sudan. Ikin mwa mia aparabiro. Okay, in the 1700s. Yala ningo. Te kwaru pa chuli wajini. Jo Alero o weha omero gilimero I Uganda. Pilok mi kech maubero kanehodano imwaga macha. Yala ningo, ludiro mi Panyikwara mukena wajini, jo alero o donye Panyikwara kachil gidana mi padehi. Okay? Gino nungo dano mukena dong, tie ite God iwire. Okay? I'm sure they're referring to the Buddha people. Yala karong ningo, regarding jo pajombo. This is another small group of the Goloba people, Goloba. Okay? Regarding Pajumbo, la chojo wadingo, dokot mi Pajumo obino ge e bar, nyojo baria, okay? Ikin mwaga, a par bichel, ni pier bungwanwe beach, road Aramatala, a yeo kila luak mi Pajumbo e Panyikwara. Gino no, dana mi Panyikwara, ma obino chon, dong tie ite got iwire, okay? Jo Pajomo wero lobo bar, pilok mi laro diangi, mo bere kinge, gio miro, madong, modong chen, okay? Te kwara pa chuli, wajane, jo Pajomo mi Panyikwara, o woro kachil gi jo Pajomo o kwi, mi oba, okay? Karong ningoni, ikare magin o ite got iwire, okay? Jo Pajomo mi Panyikwara o donkan ka jo Pajomo o kwi o mere gi wot gino chira o gere egina. Ite got ayiba. Matie i oba, okay? Lo dir mi Panyikwara o mere gi wot gino chira o gere ite got ayiba matie i oba. Lo dir mi Panyikwara, oh, I'm reading in circles. Lo dir mi Panyikwara mokene wajane jo Pajomo aye ma ochako donyo ite god iwire gi bodana mi alero, okay? Yala, padiri, okay, gi chako donyo before dano mi alero, padiri gi olobo. Mana ye gen ma oweho jo Pajomo o doko wiri pajo mi Goloba, okay? So kagin wiri pajo mi Goloba. Okay, alero kono. Gigonchen. Okay, drop your comments if you're from Goloba, me Panyikwara, or if you're even from Panyikwara and you know, ring on me alero, ring on me Goloba. Is it alero or Pajombo? Yeah, concerning group Olobo, Olobo. Na chojo choninga, te kwara mi Panyikwara wajane, jo lobo bino ge, lokiri, nyo lobo. La didwani kwar ruot Ambrosio aye kwanya luak mi olobo gi lobo otero ilobo Acholi ene di Panyikwara kuja, okay? Dano man bene kwanya nying megi gi kum nying lobo, okay? Gino wero el waro ka gin dong olungo kum gi ni olobo. Dano man o tim kid man mi po kwere kama gino bino gie, okay? La didwani odaho luak mere wako gi lobo pi lokom kech gi lueng mo bedo ikin dano mi lobo. La didwani gin gi omine lado, okay? Ikare ma gin oneno ni dano tie ka to madung gi kech wagi muony omego gin ogoro luak mi olobo duchu kachiel, okay? Nyela ni ngom ka gin ochako wuot ma kun gin dok kwere yotung piny yosa, okay? Lo diro mi Goloba mokene wajo ni la didwani pe wuro gin gi omine lado keken en bene okwanya la mine Achola, okay? Achola la da. If you're familiar with this, drop your comments, like, share, engage, okay? Yala kadok ningo. Okay, rongoni, okwanya la mine Achola la da, okay, rokanyime, okay? Ka okwanya lutina wuobe rio magilungo gini iriem gi matidi. Okero ni lotina wuobe ario man miero onen jwe mine wekpe opori kare ma dano tie ka wuot, okay? Yala now concerning Jomingo, padegi. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajani dana mi padegi gin obino gi kabira ma para dek. Dana mo ken obino gi alu e Uganda, okay? Dana mo ken obino gi lopit, ka dana mo ken kono obino gi koyo bira, parod lotara, okay? Dana wajani dana mi padegi ma obino gi kabira megi ma para. Gindujo bino i Leb Acholi mi Sudan, pilo kum kech mauporo iwi lobo iwi mwaka machar. Okay, drop your comments. Kinge about Joe Paderi, no imi Joe Paderi. What can you say about Kamo Bino Gie, Kimo Okidi Panyikwara, Maukil, Rubino Gi Uganda, Ubino Gi Kanye, Ubina Lu, Ubino Gi Lu, Ubino Gi Bira, Koyo Bira, Nyogi Kangini. Kejmo famine. Okay, drop your comments, cool now. Yalla, regarding team, got me Goloba. Okay, Chon, Jo Goloba, onongotie gi team a dek mana ye team alwala. Team alwala. Okay, team we abur gi team lomori. Giti gi team ngani a dek. Team alwala, team we obur, gi team lomori. Okay, drop your comments. What do you guys think? Yalla, te kwar mi Panyikwara. Wajani team alwala gi team we obur, obero team pajo paderi. Yalla, chila chen jo paderi o kwanyo team we obur, gin ocholo gi ko palatina wobi mi agoro bura, majo paderi oneho idwaman. Okay, ka team lomori wala lomoti, kono onongo team pajombo. Okay, gin bene ocholo team man bojo olobo pi latina wobi mi olobo maliej oneho ikare madano tie kadwaro team lomori. Mando nyuru bodwani chon gi chon Jo Goloba onongo tie gi team adek ento kombedo man giti team adek ento kombedo man gino dong gi team ario. Okay, mana ye team alwala gi team lomoti wala lomori. La padegi bene makuru chiriba mi team megi. Jo Goloba bene tie gi gora rio man aye got li pool gi got pa omer. Okay, yalla ti kwar mi actually wajani Jo Goloba tie gi jok achiel magi lungo jok Mwonye. Jok mwonye. Okay, jok man tie iket wandong pe wangyo nying dano machon ma bero kayubo wang jok mwonye. Ento nying dano manyin malo diro actually po ye aye ilirinyang gi okwi. Okay, dano wajani la dit ilirinyang aye mau chaka yubo wang jok mwonye inge topa alirinyang jok dong bot okwi. Watin okwi aye pori yubu wang jok man. Okay, this is as of the time my research in Utila 2009 and it was published 2014. This information was still as it is, right? The finding was still true. that nga o kui man o te ayu wang jok in no le nyanga ta. Okay? Yala ni la dit Gerolimo Mamur Adelfere o je borani dano nakajui yubu jok moanye idwe mi achiel i mo haduju kanina mi yubu wang jok moanye tie lo dira dek manakajui yuayo nyok romo gi kongo kwere gintero i wang jok. Okay? Lo diro ka o wang jok ginero nyok romo gitero ka gin chamo dong kuon mo dong ka chiel gi jami ma otero kwere gid wero i wang jok. Okay? Chikwara Acholi o kwer ni wi romo ma otero gi jok miero pe obu nyo otedi. Lo diro wero wi romo ka chiel gi kongo kwere i wang jok. Okay? Ka lo dira dek man otiro chom gin dok pajo gin bene pe duogo jami mi otero kwere inino menu chut. Jami megi buru i wang jok ka gi odigo mokene lo dira chiel nyola dira chiel dok ka kelo jami. Okay? Dano duoko jami man pajo weko kon tich mi mohamu kene. Lo diro guoko jami man I kabedo maber. Lo diro mi goloba waju ni ka lo diro adek man o wako gi wang jok tuol madongo gi tuol matino dong bino ka chamo kuon gi ka maro kongo kwere mo were wang jok. Just remind me to stay away from this people. Okay, so they're saying that when they sacrifice a goat for their spiritual power, and they have to cook and leave the head of the goat there for their God or spiritual power. Okay, and then once they leave, all kinds of snakes have to come out to eat the food they left for them. This is their the kind of sacrifice they have to make once a year to their God. Okay, or their spiritual power. Their spiritual power or deity is called Jok Moanye. Okay, so you have to feed it once a year with a goat head, and alcohol, basically. Okay, just kind of scary. Excuse me, I don't want to offend anybody. Kadomingo. Lotino Panyikwara mapol wajini Jok Moanye tie Jok ma pire tekte 12 but jo Goloba wala Goloba. Donc woro Jok Moanye peo bero pa jo Goloba nyo jo Panyikwara keken. Ento dano duchuma dwaro team alwala miro or Jok man. Okay, if you're going to hunt in their territory, you have to worship their God or bow down to their God, basically. Tien mapol dano ma pe nyuru woro megi bod jok monye en mio bodgi puot ma dit bodgi yala jok monye tie itim alwala. What? That's confusing. Okay. Mila po lokman ma be jok monye oporo ba ikin moha apar bong wen gi piera boro ya bichel. E karma jo ba obero kalaro tima luala gi bod jo Goloba. Dano mi Goloba mo nongoni jo ba tie kalaro alwala. Gino chwala duan bod okui ma en bene obero la yub wang jok monye en bene la kuchiri ba mi tima luala. Okay? Yala la di okui mo winyo lokman en bene ochunyo en bene chunye ochwe ikom joba. Pimano kwio kor chiriba mitima lwala gi wo menu chut anyeri donyo ka chamo bel gi poro pa ba. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajini anyeri pe chamo bel keken. Peo chamo bel keken. Anyeri bene obedo ka kayo gweno pa ba gi ikingang. Okay. Man otime minyuro bot jobani tima lwala magin laro ni pe tim megi. Okay. Joba maoneno anyeri tie ka chamo bel dok bene kayo gweno gi kingang le wich ma mahogin. Joba dong obedo ka yenyo yo ango magin twero jigo kwere lokman. Jiro kwere lokman. Gigu mabe la puny Emiliano Lodel mi pajombo mo nywalo e jok okwi nywayi. Odok bene odongo ipaneo. Eno nongo tie kwa gi paneo mere. La puny Emiliano Lodel obedo ka wuot I Goloba twal. Okay. Man omiyo bore kare mi puonyo kit ma jo Goloba kweo kwere twin jok mwonye. Kalok mi kit man obino gam. Kalok ma kit man obino gam. Does that make sense? La puny Emiliano ochero bodruot koche gumbiri. Koche gambiri won Loberia ma onongo loyo dano mi bar I Muhammad. La puny Emiliano dong owajo bore ni ruot. Ini ng'eyo maber ni dano mi ba odak I tima lwala pi lokom cham gi pi amara kachiel gi kwan palotino. Ruot nen dong kit ma anyeri tie ka balo cham palwak meri gi poro. Anyeri bene kaya wa gweno gi ikingang. Anang'eyo maber ni lokman duchu obino pi lok mi laro tim alwala. Andong aliri gi kijani katwero meri katwere miero uchung laro tim alwala. Okay. Mikelo kuch ikin joba gi jo Goloba wala Goloba. Luak meri miero omak nyok ramo omi bolo diro Goloba wala Goloba wegin otum gi tim alwala. Okay. Yala ruot koche gambiri bene oneno ki gi wange kid ma anyeri tie kwere ka balo jami pa joba. Ikar ma ruot koche gambiri owinyo lokman gi dok la puony Emiliano en peo kwero tampa la puony. Ruot gambiri dong omako nyok romo omiyo bola diro kwi kid ma la puony Emiliano owajo. Okay. La diro kwi ogamo nyok romo ento ka otumo gi tim alwala. Giwo menu chut anyeri ogigo balo cham gi kaya gweno pa joba. Okay. What do you think? If you're from Goloba, you're from Panyikwara, you're an Acholi, what do you think about this story pa jo Goloba? Okay. So the writer is saying the Goloba subgroup of the Panyikwara people, okay, Okay, they came from different places. Okay, they have 4 mini subgroups, which is Alero, Pajombo, Oluba, Gipadiri. The Alero people they're saying came from present-day Uganda. Okay, uh, and they left Uganda because of famine. Okay, they came around the same time with the Padiri people to Panyikwara in South Sudan. Yalla, the Pajombo people were the first to enter the Goloba land in Panyikwara. Okay, but the Pajombo people, they came from Bari, Baria, which is another tribe in present-day South Sudan. Okay, they came around 1695 under Chief Aramatala. Okay, uh, they came and went to God Iwire, where they found the rest of the other Panyikwara people. Okay, at that time. Um, So there is Pajomo of Obal and the Pajomo of Panyikwara. There's 2 groups. They came together from Bari, Lebar. One half went to Obal, one half came to Panyikwara, basically. Okay. Uh, the one that went to Obal went to God Ayiba, or Mount Ayiba in Obal. Okay. Yeah, and then the next group is Olubo. Okay. They saying that the Olubo people came from Olubo or Lokiliri under Chief Ambrosio. Okay. Okay. They also came because of famine. Okay, from Lolobo. Okay, and settled with the Panyikwara people in present-day South Sudan. Okay, and then the Padiri people. The Padiri people came from different places, including Alu, the people of Alu in present-day Uganda. Okay, some came from Lopit in present-day South Sudan. Okay, some people came from Koyobira. Okay, under Chief Lotara. They all came to Panyikwara and settled with the Panyikwara people in present-day South Sudan and Panyikwara. Okay. Yeah, regarding rights to their lands, okay, they're saying the Goloba people have one land that they have rights to, which is Team Alwala. Alwala means monkey, okay? So Team Alwala is theirs, okay? And they also have one called Team Obu, okay? And they have another piece of land called Team Lomoti, okay? Because of some killings, okay, they had to give away one of the lands, okay. Um, and then they were remaining with only 2 teams, which is Team Alwala and Team Lamoti. They had to give away Team Wani, Wiobur. They had to give away Team Obur because somebody had killed somebody from another subgroup. So they had to pay with their land, basically. They have to pay back. Okay. Yella. They have one spiritual power, which is Jok Monye, which is their god, basically. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of stories about how to make sacrificial rituals to their god and what would happen if they didn't. Um, okay, so that's about it regarding Goloba. What do you think? If you're from Goloba, please drop your comments. Goloba, Anyoko. Okay, if you're from Panyikwara, Choli, what do you think? Uh, I don't know too much about these people. Please drop your comments. If you'd like to be a guest and find out more, please also join us. Drop a comment under this video. Share widely with your friends and family. Engage with the platform. Marapo Amatek, okay? Tomorrow, I will start reading about the Palewa people. The Palewa people, okay? Which is another sub-clan of the Panyikwara clan of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan. Okay, guys. Manapo Amatek, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. Follow us on our official Facebook page, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. My Facebook is Chaka South Sudan. Also, subscribe and like, comment, engage with the platform. Okay. I look forward to getting back on tomorrow to read about the next subclan. Okay, so every night I try to read before going to bed if I can. Okay, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.